how to create smooth animations in CapCut. So if you want to create smooth animations in CapCut, then first you need to open up your CapCut application, and you can simply select your projects. You can go with an existing project or you can select new projects. So I'm going with create project. Go with import, which is on the left side. You need to drag and drop that to your bottom, and you can select another video of which you would like to have the smooth animation. So for example, I'll be choosing a text. So I'll just go with the text, which is here on the upper left, and you can go with the right side, which is here on the upper right, and you can add something. So I'll be just writing hello, and once you've written something or once you've added an emoji or something like that, then if you want to have a smooth animation of this text, then what you need to do, so enlarge this text. Once you've enlarged, now what you need to do is just add some keyframes. So what you need to do is just go with your video. I'll be enlarging the video, and once you've enlarged now, for example, I'll be adding a keyframe right here. So go with the keyframe, which is right side of the scale, and after that go with the second point and zoom out a bit, and then add another keyframe and go with the third point, and again go with the scale and zoom out a bit again and go with the last. And once you've added the keyframe, now if you play the video, you will get this kind of interface, right? So in the same way, you can go with the text also. So you can enlarge the text, and after that you can make it small and add a keyframe right here, and again add the second keyframe and go with the third point and enlarge a bit more and go with again keyframe. And in this way you can add many keyframes as you like, but make sure while you add your keyframe, you just need to simply scroll down and go with scale option and add your keyframe on your text or any other overlay or any other video. So make sure that you've done that. Now once you've added your overlays, you can play the video and you can see that you will have the animation which is like this. Or if you want to make it more smooth, then what you can do is just click on the video, right click on it, and then go with show variable speed animation, and here you will have this kind of interface where you can simply go with the drop down and you'll have the keyframe animations. You can simply go with the curves, and you can also click on auto curve. Once you click on auto curve, then it will automatically create a smooth animation. You can also add some keyframes, or you can go with the graph, or you can add any keyframes. So that's how you can create smooth animations in CapCut. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.